Consumers want choice, not just in what they buy, but how they buy. Currently, they're forced to waste valuable leisure time browsing real and virtual shelves. Time they don't have. What if there was another way? A way that allowed the time limited to order groceries waiting for a bus, or buy clothes on a train. EasyCart from Ida Apps enables businesses to quickly set up a mobile commerce storefront with full QR code compatibility, providing access to consumers that are ready to buy but don't have the time. Built on a powerful yet easy-to-use content management system, EasyCart offers a range of payment options and custom mobile storefronts. And because EasyCart is seamlessly integrated with Salesforce.com, it gives you almost unlimited scalability to bring your products to a whole new market. Experience the power of EasyCart today by taking it for a test drive or receiving a free demonstration at IdaApps.com. EasyCart, simple, flexible, and affordable mobile commerce.